Hey guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. In today's video, I have to improvise another part to fix this shaft. I'll show you how to do that. I've got an older shaft here on the table. I'll modify it a bit, stick it on the lathe, and this guy will have a replacement shaft. So this is the shaft that came in the shop. It's split in half right where the bolt hole is. And the other part of the shaft is bent as well. Look at that. This is actually a drive axle on a snowblower, and you cannot buy it anymore. So I have to either make one from a new bar, or like I said, I will modify an existing shaft to match this one. I will fill in the welds on my axle here or shaft, and then I will have to drill new holes to match the holes on this one. So I have to fill in this hole, the keyway hole here, and this one here. The reason why I want to fill it up with weld is to strengthen the shaft at this section, at these sections here. And today I'll be using my MIG welder, and I'm using a solid core wire with the Argo Shield gas. Now the holes are all plugged up with weld. It's much easier if you use your MIG welder. It goes in the hole a lot better. Okay, first thing I'm going to do here is cut the shaft off. I got to cut a bit longer than what I expected. I'm using a parting tool on the lathe here. I'm just putting in a centering drill bit. Okay, so I've got the shaft in the lathe here. All I want to do is clean up the shaft a bit. Here are the spots where I welded the holes shut. So I'm not going to go too crazy here. I'm just going to run a cutter all the way across. That's it. Alright, so here's a 3/4 inch bushing. It goes in perfect. I didn't want to take too much off the shaft because I don't want the bushing to be too loose on it. I just wanted to clean it up a bit. So now what I'm going to do is drill all the holes exactly like on the other shaft. So what I'll do here is basically just eye this. We're just working on an old snowblower here, nothing special. And these are 1/4 inch holes. And I'll just start the holes with a starter punch. And then there were 2 holes right in the middle of the shaft about. So right at about here. And this shaft here is pretty hard. It was a bit hard to turn on the lathe. Okay. Okay, I've got one of my good Walter 1/4" drill bits in here. Okay, I had to move the vise there to be able to access the area to drill here. Now what I need to do is shave off the burrs here. I'll be using a flat disc. And now I've got a shaft that matches the old one. It's not perfect, but it'll do the job. So thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and to like the video, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.